Assalamualaikum, my name is AZIEMAH binti AHMAD from 1 BTEC section 1. I will talk about the chapter 12, the art and science of marketing, which is marketing in genuine word. Marketing in genuine word. Marketing can be defined the process of creating value for customer and building relationship with those customer in order to capture value back from them. Marketing in genuine word can divide by two, which is place marketing and cost-related marketing. Place marketing means marketing effort to attract people and organization to a particular geographical area. Cost-related marketing means identification and marketing of a social issue, cause or idea to selected target market. The role of marketing in society have needs and wants, exchange and transaction, and utilities. Needs mean difference between a person actual state and his or her ideal state. They provide the basic motivation to make a purchase. When specific good, service, experience, or other entities that are desirable in light of a person's experience, culture, and personality. Exchange means the act of obtaining a desired object or service from another party by offering something of value in return. Transaction means an exchange of value between parties. Utility means the power of a good service to satisfy a human need. For aspect of utility, form, time, place, and position. The marketing concept involves relationship marketing and customer loyalty. Relationship marketing means a focus on developing and maintaining long-term relationship with customer, supplier, and distribution partner for mutual benefit. Customer loyalty means the degree to which customers continue to buy from a particular retailer or buy the product of a particular manufacturer or service provider. The selling concept versus the marketing concept. As you can see from the slide, the selling concept is one of only. The selling concept starting from which factory to executive product to selling and promoting and desire and profit through sale volume. The marketing concept starting from which market to customer needs, next conversational communication and desire and which profit through customer satisfaction and is repeated from the starting point. That's it from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is SITI NURFITRAH binti AMIN. I'm from BTEC 1 section 1. Today, I want to talk about the art and science of marketing, and my topic is challenge contemporary. Three trends that have defined contemporary marketing are involving the customer in the marketing process, making data-driven marketing decisions, and marketing with greater concern for ethics and etiquette. In involving, customers have to set technology that helps foster communication and collaboration between company and their customer, which is customer relationship management, CRM, and social commerce. CRM can be defined as a type of information system that captures, organizes, and capitalizes on all the interactions that a company has with its customers. Meanwhile, social commerce means the creation and sharing of product-related information among customer and potential customers. Second point is making data-driven marketing decision. In making data-driven marketing decision have marketing research. This can be defined as the collection and analysis of information for making marketing decisions. Company can get a data by using a few methods, which is from observation, surveys, interviews, and focus groups. Lastly, is marketing with greater concern for ethics and etiquette. There are a few terms in this point which can be namely as permission-based marketing and stills marketing. Permission-based marketing is a marketing approach in which firms first ask permission to deliver message to an audience and then promise to restrict their communication effort to those subject areas in which audience members have expressed interest. Meanwhile, stealth marketing can be defined as the delivery of marketing message to people who are not aware that they are being marketed to. This message can be delivered by either acquaintance or strangers depending on the technique. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good day, lecturer. My name is Yap-Yin-Yi. I'm from 1 BTEC Section 1. Now, I'm going to talk about understanding today's customers. Knowing and understanding customer needs is at the center of every successful business, whether it sells directly to individuals or other business. Once you have this knowledge, you can use it to persuade potential and existing customers that buying from you is in their best interest. So now, I want to tell you what you need to know about your customers, how to use this information to sell to them more effectively, and how to win business from your competitors. First, you have to know, why do your customer need you? Every business needs a reason for their customer to buy from them and not their competitors. This is called a unique sales proposition, which is USP. Your USP can be identified by completing the phrase, customer will buy from me because my business is the only. For example, a stationery store could offer a free same-day delivery service for each business customer within a local area. An effective USP for business that need fast delivery. This unique sales proposition can be effective because they are driven by what the customer looks for when making a buying decision. Secondly, what do you know about your customer? The more you know about your customer, the more effective your sales and marketing efforts will be. It's well worth making the effort to find out who they are, what they buy, and why they buy it. If you're selling to others' business, you will need to know which individuals are responsible for the decision to buy your product or service. For information on targeting decision makers, see our guide on how to target the right people in an organization. You can learn a great deal about your customer by talking to them, asking them why they are buying or not buying, what they may want to buy in the future, and asking what other needs they have can give a valuable picture of what's important to them. Lastly, the customer current supplier. Chances are your potential customer is already buying something similar to your product or service from someone else. Before you can sell to a potential customer, you need to know 1. Who the customer current supplier is. 2. If the customer is happy with their current supplier. 3. If buying from you will offer the customer any business benefits. And if so, what those benefits would be. The easiest way to identify a potential customer's current supplier is often simply to ask them. Generally, people are very happy to offer this information as well as an indication of whether they are happy with their present arrangements. So this is my presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm NURALYA NADZIRA binti ABDULLAH from 1 BTEC Section 1, and Group 9 will continue the subtopic of Chapter 12, the art and science of marketing, which is identifying market opportunities. Identifying market opportunities is the process which you are ready to start planning your marketing strategy when you have a better understanding of your client requirements and behaviors. For strategic marketing planning process, there will involve 3 steps. First, examine current marketing situation. Second, assess opportunities and setting objectives. And the last one, develop marketing strategy. For examining the current marketing situation, we need to include reviewing past performance, evaluating the competition, examining a firm's internal strength and weakness, and analyzing the external environment. First, reviewing past performance. You must evaluate where you are and how you arrived there if you are to learn from your mistake and repeat your triumphs. Second, evaluating competition. You must examine your competition in addition to examining peer performance. Third, examine internal strength and weakness. Marketers that are effective must discover sources of competitive advantage as well as areas for improvement. And the last one, analyzing the external environment. When establish market strategy, marketers must also consider trend and situation in the corporate environment. Next, you are ready to assess your marketing opportunities and define your goals once you have examined the existing market condition. Companies that are successful are constantly on the hunt for new marketing opportunities, which may be divided into 4 categories. First, market penetration. This entails selling more of your existing product into established markets. Second, product development. The strategy entails developing new items for the existing markets. Third, market development. Introducing your current product to a new market. And the last one, diversification, entails the development of new product for new markets. The arrows show the increasing level of risk from the lowest risk to highest risk. Next is develop marketing strategy. First, divide market into strategically productive segment. Second, choose best fit segment. Third, identify ideal position in mind of target customers. And fourth, develop marketing mix. Lastly, you are ready to set your marketing objective after you have defined the opportunities you want to pursue. That's it. Thank you.
Good morning, Dr. Amil. I am Ting, the student from Year 1 BTEC. Today, I am here to talk about the art and science of marketing, crafting a marketing strategy. Market is a group of customers who need or want a particular product and have the money to buy it. Marketing strategy is an overall plan for marketing a product, includes the identification of target market segments, a positioning strategy, and a marketing mix. To maximize their effectiveness in reaching these subgroups, many companies subdivide the total market through market segmentation, grouping customers with similar characteristics, behaviors, and needs. 4 fundamental factors marketers use to identify market segments are demographics, psychographics, geography, and behavior. Psychographics segmentation, the analysis of people from the inside, focusing on their psychological makeup, including attitudes, interests, opinions, and lifestyles. Demographics segmentation, the statistical analysis of a population, subdivide your customers according to characteristics such as age, gender, income, race, occupation, and ethnic groups. Behavior segmentation, the categorization of customers according to their relationship with products or response to product characteristics. Geography segmentation, the categorization of customers according to their geographical locations such as regions, cities, countries, or neighborhoods. After that, the next step is choosing your target markets on which to focus your efforts. Specific customer groups or segments to whom a company wants to sell a particular product. 4 alternative market coverage strategies are undifferentiated marketing, differentiated marketing, concentrated marketing, and micro marketing. Lastly, you want to decide what position you want to occupy in those segments. Positioning is the process of managing a business in a way designer to occupy a particular place in the minds of target customers. This is the end of my presentation. I can see that the time is about up, and I'd like to finish by saying thank you. Thank you for your watching.
Assalamualaikum and hi Dr. Amir. I would like to introduce myself quickly. I am NURUL An-Nisa from Group 9. In this presentation, we will discuss subtopic on a marketing mix. The main title for the marketing mix is the art and science of the marketing. Okay, let's begin. Did you know that the marketing mix has 4 elements of the marketing strategy, namely product, pricing, distribution, and the customer communication? A form of marketing mix consists of product, price, distribution, and customer communication. You might also hear references to the 4 P's of the marketing mix, which is a short of products, pricing, place or physical distribution and promotion. However, with the advent of digital goods and services, distribution is no longer exclusively a physical concern. Moreover, many companies now view customer communication as a broader and more interactive activity than the functions implied by promotion. The next thing I will share with you is that the marketing mix consists of 4 key elements. The products a company offers to the potential buyer, the price is asked in return, its method of distribution, those products to customer, and the various effort is made to communication with customer before and after the sale. In the next session, I will show a mind map shape diagram. The mind map shows 4 essential elements in the marketing mix. The first is the product. Product usually refers to a tangible good in common usage, whereas service refers to an intangible performance. However, to study marketing, it is helpful to define a product as the bundle of value offered to satisfy one or a need in a marketing exchange. In this expanded definition, tangible goods and intangible services are considered product. The reason for taking this broader view of the product is that it encourages a more holistic look at the entire offering, including the brand name, design, packaging, support services, warranty, ownership, experience, and other attributes. Price, the amount of money customer pay for the product, including any discount, is the second major component of the firm marketing mix. Looking back at Kohler and Armstrong definition marketing, price is the value captured from customer in exchange for value offered in the product. Therefore, setting and managing products price one of the most critical decisions a company must make, because the price is the only element a company's marketing mix that produces revenue. All the other elements represent costs. The third element of the marketing mix is distribution. It covers an organized network of firms and systems that transfer goods and services from product to customer. These networks are also known as marketing channels, intermediaries, or distribution channels. For example, imagine channel decisions are independent with almost everything else in the marketing mix. Critical factors in distribution planning included customer needs and expectation, market coverage, distribution costs, competition, positioning, customer support needs, and sales support needs. The last one is customer communication. Forward-thinking companies have moved beyond the unidirectional promotion approach to interactive customer communication. By talking with their customers instead of their customer, marketers get immediate feedback on everything from customer services problem to new products idea. I like to bring this presentation to the close with conclusion that all the elements of the marketing mix influence each other. For example, they made up the business plan for a company and handle it right, give it a great success. However, handle it wrong and the business could take years to cover it. And that brings us to the end, and I'd like to thank you for your time and your attention today.
Assalamualaikum and hi to our lecturer Dr. Amir. My name is ZULFAQAR bin YUSRY from BTEC 1 Section 1. For today, I would talk about Chapter 12, the Art and Science of Marketing, and my subtopic, Thriving the Digital Enterprise Marketing Analytics. Thriving in digital enterprise marketing analytics, there is 6 major goals of marketing analytics. First one, tracking the customer journey. To evaluate marketing effectiveness, companies need to know where customers come from and how they make their journeys toward a purchase. For example, a few customers might heard about our product on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and other media socials. Second one, measuring effectiveness. The overall effectiveness of marketing effort in the sum of all the individual components of that effort, from broadcast advertising to digital marketing of personal sales. The third one is testing and tuning promotional messaging. With an ability to measure the response to advertising effort, company can test and adjust the promotional messaging. This can be done through A/B test, which is one audience segment get the A version of the message and the second segment receive a B version. The fourth measure, which is optimizing the timing and placement of ads. Just with the messaging, marketing analytics can measure the effectiveness of ad buying and help companies optimize their ad spend. The fifth one, prioritizing customer. This means analytics can tell company which customer are the most valuable and important towards the potential profitability. A company might then assign the top level of support resources to its highest priority customer or reward the most loyal customer differently, such as how airline and hotel program works in ties. And last one, measuring share of customer. Given how expensive it is usually to acquire the new customer, company try to get as much business as possible from their existing customer. The percentage of given customers spending in particular product category that a company capture is known as share of customer or share of wallet. Data resources for marketing analytics. The first point, the promise and capability of marketing analytics is TING for every company, but the mountains of data involved analytics are constant challenges. Second, ideally a company would get all the relevant data from every stage. Third, merely collecting the data is only the first step. Fifth, marketing data often need to be cleaned or cleansed. Sixth, even when the data sources can be cleaned and processed, companies still need to put all the data to use. And the last one, an important goal for every marketing analytic effort, to establish the unified data layer across the entire enterprise, so that all the variation of data collecting pipes can fit into the centralized and well-organized repository, and all the decision making application work from the same data. So that's all from me. Thank you.